Hello friends! Today we're gonna draw some character from cartoon called Planet Cosmo! And it's awesome! It's about universe and stars and planets. So if you wanna learn more about that stuff, you can always check out that cartoon. And today we're gonna draw Daddy, and he's super awesome pilot. He can drive all the spaceships that there are. And we're gonna use some markers today, and also I'm gonna use one crayon, so you can always mix those. It's quite cool. And then we're gonna use also a piece of paper, and we're also gonna need one black marker, and I'm gonna use my rocket marker. So let's get started, and let's draw this cool Daddy cartoon character. So we're gonna start by drawing his eyes, and we can make them big, just like this. Okay, and we're gonna draw another eye really close by, another eye really close by. Huh? It rhymes. And we're gonna just put two little circles in the middle, just like that. And then we're gonna draw his little nosy nose. Okay, then we're gonna go a little bit down, and we're gonna make him smile, just like this. Huh? He's smiling. Our cool Daddy pilot is smiling. Okay, now we're gonna go on the side somewhere here, and we're gonna draw his little ear. Somewhere here, little ear. Again, it rhymes. Okay, now we're gonna draw his head. So we're gonna go a little bit to the top. Then we're gonna go a little bit. We're gonna start here. We're gonna go a little bit to the bottom, and let's use, okay, something like that, and maybe a little bit more. Okay, now it's cool. And now we're gonna draw his super cool hair style. Okay, it's gonna start, actually we can finish first the forehead, so it goes something like this. Okay, and now we're gonna draw his super cool haircut, and it goes like this, and then down, just like that, and part of the hair here as well. And then he has cool lines here. They go like this, and like this, and like this. Cool. Later we're gonna color that yellow, but now we need to go down and draw his body. And that's also quite simple. We just need to draw it like this. So we have that part. Then we need to draw his spacesuit. Okay, and first we're gonna put his little arm here. He has something like this, and then we're gonna make 3 fingers for him, just like this. 1, 2, and 3. Cool. Okay, now let's go and continue his little spacesuit, just like that. And then we're gonna go on the side and draw another shape just like this. Okay, it's gonna go here somewhere. Cool. And we can put a little part of the other arm here. It's not really visible, but we can put just a little thumb and maybe 1 finger, something like that. Okay, and now what we need to do, we need to draw his legs. Okay, and they go something like this. It's also quite simple. And some shoes. And let's draw another one. So it goes like this. And another shoe. And cool. Now we can put something here. That's for his spacesuit, so he can press some buttons and do cool stuff. Yeah, and there we go. We have little daddy from planet Cosmo, and he's a cool pilot. As I said, he can drive cool spaceship. And now we can go and color it. So first we're gonna use yellow for his hair and also his spacesuit. So let's color the hair first. And here as well. And on the side. Just like this. Cool. And then we have this part of his spacesuit also yellow. And this one. And also he has those gloves. They are yellow as well. Okay. Cool. And also his shoes and legs are yellow. So who likes yellow, he will enjoy this video. Cool. And now we're gonna use some red, like this. And we're gonna color these little parts. Okay, and also these parts. Okay, this one. Cool, it's looking great. And then we're gonna color his face. So I'm gonna use this skin color crayon. You can use some other color if you like. I'm gonna use this one and color the whole face. We're just gonna leave mouth and eyes white. Let's go down a bit. Just like that. Then we're gonna go a little bit up. Okay, and on the side. And there we go. We have our little daddy. Spaceman, greatest pilot ever, finished. Well done, guys. Now if you didn't finish it all, you can always pause, go a little bit back and complete it. Okay, let's give a little check mark. Boom, just like that. And we're gonna give him a little heart, and we can put it here maybe. No, it's looking weird. It's looking weird, Teacher Dan. Really, doggy? Yeah. Okay, just put it aside just like that. Thank you, doggy. I really appreciate your advice. Cool, guys. So we have finished with this drawing, and let's see what we're gonna draw next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.